From the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power, introducing the Ego Select Cut XP Mower with Speed IQ self-propel technology. Speed IQ uses digital sensors to sync to your stride, making it the world's smartest mower. It's weather resistant and can cut up to 90 minutes on a single charge. Powered by Ego's patented 56-volt arc lithium battery technology, the same batteries used on all Ego tools, exclusively.
Brace for a revolution on 4 wheels. The RYOBI 40-volt HP self-propelled cordless mower. Take command and conquer your lawn. With more power than gas, more advanced technology, and more innovation, maintaining a yard has never been easier. The RYOBI 40-volt HP self-propelled cordless lawnmower, part of the RYOBI 40-volt system.
Convenient and compact, the Craftsman V60 21-inch 3-in-1 cordless push mower is an absolute essential in your shed or garage. Its push-to-start function gets you going instantly with no hassle or pull cords, while the multiple settings are easy to adjust, and the metal deck provides durability. The 3-in-1 functionality allows you to choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge. Plus, the included battery provides up to 60 minutes of no-load runtime. And when you're done, you can even store the mower vertically to save space. Your lawn is your pride and joy. Keep it looking its best with the Craftsman V60 21-inch 3-in-1 cordless push mower. Craftsman, we build pride.
Bye.